Hi, my name is Hannah, and I am the product manager of the Rosemount 24/5 monitoring hub. The Rosemount 24/5 comes with dual interfaces, a field display, as well as an integrated web interface. In this video, I will show you how to access the web interface. Input your device IP address in your web browser. An in-log window will appear. Depending on your user type, select operator or administrator. At first login, you will need to use the default passwords from factory. You will find these in the field display interface. Open up the main menu, navigate to settings, and then go to security. The default passwords are PIN code protected in the field display. Provide PIN code. Read through the warning messages. The default web interface passwords can now be viewed. Return to the web interface and provide your password. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit emerson.com/rosemount2405 or contact your nearest Emerson representative.